Well, give us your update.
My update is I bought new shoes.
Yay. Are you wearing them? Feet Sutras.
Yep.
Look at those flat shoes.
I know. They are really flat. I wasn't expecting no sole. Zero sole. Like you can feel the
Everything.
concrete. Yeah, you can feel like the pebble on the floor underneath your shoe. I wasn't expecting that. I wore these all week.
Really?
Yep. Or I wore the sneakers that I bought all week. Like I alternated between these two.
Uh-huh.
And then so I did that 4 days straight. And then on the last day, on Friday, I put on a pair of my old Brooks just because I was like, well, maybe I should give it a break. I don't know. And then Saturday morning, after I wore my Brooks all day, both of my calves and my Achilles were on fire. And I was like, why? I couldn't flex my foot. They were like so tight. And I was like, oh my God, this is so funny because my foot was up in the air all day.
Wearing your heel drop.
Yeah. Funny?
Yeah. But even those, I mean, those and your ultras, like, are both totally zero. Even like if you wore the ultras all week and then tried to like go back.
Yeah.
You probably would have had the same effect, I guess, is what I'm saying.
I was wearing them like maybe 3 times a week. I needed like a dress shoe for work. So on the days that I knew I needed to wear a dress shoe, I couldn't wear the sneakers that I bought, the ultras. So I was alternating. I was wearing like a sneaker one day and then a dress shoe like this the next. So that's why I went and bought these.
A dress shoe.
I wear them probably like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then I was just at TJ Maxx and I found some, which I think you'll like them. I mean,
wait, what did you find?
Sandals. Oh. So I bought these super flat sandals. They only have like a millimeter heel on the back, higher than the front.
Great.
A millimeter.
I'm just kidding. Yeah.
And they just have 2 straps, one across my toes and one around the ankle. And my toes are like completely open and they're flexible. I thought you would like that part.
I just recorded a thing about sandals and like all the varying degrees of sandals.
Yeah. So I thought these would be better.
They're out. Yeah. Cool. Good job. See, now you won't want to wear your other shoes. Now that you see what happens when you put them on, it's just like immediate, like you feel the discomfort.
Yeah. No, I put these on.
Funny.
I was like, ooh, I'm like, oh, my toes are okay in these. And my foot is flat. And the leather strap was very forgiving.
Nice.
Leather. Yeah, I'm excited.
Cool. You should send a picture of them so we can insert it here. All right. How the heck are all your exercises?
I stopped doing Johnny Twist, but I've been squatting like crazy. I've been probably squatting the most. And I've been doing my heel raise the most.
Mm-hmm.
And you
have doing?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You wanted to see it on its own. I can't separate it with all my toes down. Is that what you wanted me to do?
You kept having yourself in like plantar flexion, like your whole ankle was up and only the base of your toes were down.
Yeah, so like I can
ask you to put your foot flat.
I can put my foot flat. That's me. So that's me pushing it down.
Nice.
Isn't it cute? Johnny, action.
Oh.
Go, Johnny, go, go, go.
Cool. Okay, so you can do it with the foot flat. Good job. Yeah. Oh, that's better though.
Yeah, right?
Now do that, but now try to reach the next one down. Yeah, down. Keep going. Keep going. Nice. That was what we were trying to get, and we couldn't get your little toe to just get going.
Oh, okay.
And now it's going.
Yeah.
He's out and ready to live. YOLO Johnny. Okay, sit on the floor again and see if in between your metatarsals of like 4 and 5 on the right foot, are they still really tender on the top?
No, I get no pain.
What about the whole lateral side of your foot?
That always hurts.
Well, now we're working that area a lot. Like those little reaches. And now you need to try to just be able to pull your little toes away.
I still look like a big fat pancake.
I don't think so. We should take another comparison view someday. Yeah, can you flatten down Johnny right now? There. How many calf raises are you doing now?
Oh, that hurts. This I'm probably doing like 30. How many am I supposed to be doing?
The goal is to do 3 sets of 15 3 times a day.
Oh my God. I don't have time for that.
I know, right? Maybe every time you go to the bathroom, you can just start doing heel raises. Okay, and so squats are easy.
Squats are fine.
Let's make it harder.
Oh.
Okay, time for single leg squats. Just kidding. I think we'll do split squats then and try to keep your feet under control.
Like jump up in the air and touch my feet together?
Oh my God. Yeah. You're going to stand up and it'd be cool if we could see like your waist down to your feet and bring your right foot forward. Because when you do this, you want your knees to stay pretty much above your ankles. And you're not going to lunge. You're just going to squat straight down. So like your hips are just going straight into a squat. Yes.
But my foot's going to come off the floor in the back.
Yeah, that's okay. As long as, see how your foot in the back is now angled and your hip is rotated? Don't let that happen. So turn your toe totally straight forward and your IAP should be on.
Yes.
Core is engaged and you're dropping straight down.
Should I just be on the ball of my foot in the back?
Yeah, and like pushing through your big toe, not letting yourself roll and not letting yourself end up angled on your foot. Everything should stay straight.
Okay.
Just make sure that your knee stays straight, that it doesn't collapse inwards. Yeah. Down. Keep going. Keep going. Nice. That was what we were trying to get, and we couldn't get your little toe to just get going.
Oh, okay.
And now it's going.
Yeah.
Both of them, really.
Ooh, that's hard. So this, you need me to dome, I take it, right?
Yes. Your foot is fully engaged.
Yeah, that's tough. Oh
yeah,
my God.
And your back leg is going to want to keep just rolling to the outside of your foot.
Yeah, it is. I forgot I did like 100 squats yesterday.
Oh, cool. Here's 100 more. Okay, now switch your legs around, but turn and face me.
How's my foot in the back? Is it all right?
It's a little angled inwards. Yeah, and so make sure that your hips are staying completely square.
Yeah.
And that when you drop down, like there's no twisting. In other words, keep your IAP on.
Yep, my IAP is on.
And you're mostly doing it, but basically you just want to keep making sure your knee is in line with your foot.
Yeah.
And if it's not, keep trying to like kick it outwards.
Yeah.
And then every time you like readjust that knee outwards, you should feel your glute turn right on.
Yeah. Everything is on.
Sweet.
I'm dying.
And just for other people to understand that you should be looking at all the same things on the back leg too, that the back knee isn't dropping in every time. And that means that your foot is like going to be kicked to the side and your hip is rotating. So there. That was good. What's burning? Just your quads?
My quads. I did way too many squats.
Yeah. Wow, squat animal. Well, now you can start doing half this way.
It's a lot of work. I'm sweating.
How's your single leg balance?
Sure.
Oh.
Sure.
Can you do it without the chair now?
Yep.
Oh, the 3-way kicks. That's right.
I get a lot of cramps and I get my toes just twitch on their own now.
Oh my God, they're all live.
Yeah, I'll be sitting there watching TV and then all of a sudden like my middle toe will be like
like going into spasm.
Yeah.
That's good.
I figured you'd like that.
There's one other thing that you might already just do on your own.
Yeah.
And it is squats kind of with a band around your knees.
Oh, I've never done that. Okay.
I call it the Elvis. I think it's called like a standing clamshell.
So we have red and green now.
Okay. So you're going to put the green one around your thighs and the red one will tie around your feet. It's going to go not around your ankles, but around like your feet. Just put it under your feet first. Get it really tight. Not super tight, pretty tight. And then just tie it. I've never put those in a bow before. Now get hip distance apart. Now, first just start by like externally rotating your hips.
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you feel your arch dome turned on already?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm always doming now.
That didn't used to happen.
I know.
Okay. So now maintain all of that and squat. Uh-huh. Go even slower. Sweet. Do you like your new version of squats?
Woo! That's tough.
Yeah, that second toe on your right is still in the air. Resplay and then do that again. But try to keep those toes grounded.
Oh, it does go up. Look at it pop up.
Every time, reset your feet with every rep.
Oh, okay.
So the other thing is this with the Elvis. So if you just go into like a tiny squat, push your knees away a little bit more. So like rotate your hips out more. And now hold that and then try to take one of your legs and really rotate out, but stay on your foot.
Oh my God. I can't. That's as far as I can go.
Yeah, you're not going to go far. It's okay. Try
Oh.
your best to keep your big toe grounded. Oh my God, your arch is so high.
It's burning.
I've never seen your arch look this way. I mean, some of it is the shadow, I think, but still. And then obviously the leg that's like stabilizing is like really stabilizing, right?
I moved on to the other side.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm just saying like it's just as hard for the stabilizing leg as it is the one that's doing the work.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Sounds like
yeah.
you like that one.
No. I'm sweating.
Okay. You can sit down. We're done. I'm done. Oh, good job. You know what I just thought of? If you just take like a Sharpie, do that in between.
Rub it out.
Yeah, that might help to loosen things up and get the outside of your foot to cooperate even quicker.
Okay.
I was just thinking we need to do like peroneal strengthening, or with that band around your feet, you're like holding yourself using the outside, those peroneal muscles.
Yeah, absolutely. They already hurt. This right here.
Good. Yes. Yes, perfect. They already hurt. What'd you do, 5? I'm just kidding. On top of your 50,000 squats.
You're so mean. Great job. You did 5. Good job. I think people need to know that this is like a 2-year-long process.
They're gonna know it. Yeah.
No, I mean,
the point?
Before, yeah, but I didn't know how long this was going to take when we started.
Oh.
I'm just saying, you should tell people this isn't like a quick fix. You won't be like,
Oh.
I mean, my feet wouldn't be a quick fix. But I just think people in general, even if you just wear sneakers all the time and you have great feet.
Yeah. I mean, I try to mention it. I usually say this isn't like an easy thing and it's going to take forever just to like get your toes to move again.
I thought that was just me. I thought somebody normal, it would be like a 6-month, 4-month process.
No. And because nobody is perfect and everybody has so many things wrong with them that they don't even know. Like you don't even really have pain per se. People who are in pain with a specific like acute thing.
Right.
Like you work on that, but then it like keeps unfolding and unfolding.
Right.
And like unraveling, and you realize that like they have no core, and that's what it came down to.
Right.
Sadly.
Down to your core.
Your core. Yeah, your glutes are going to be pretty strong by the end of July.
I'm pretty excited to go to the beach now.
Yep. There's going to be no pancakes. No pancakes on your feet and no pancakes on your butt.
Yeah.
Let me just recap so I remember. You're doing split squats.
Yeah.
Squats with the band with foot resistance.
Yep.
And what? Is there something else?
I don't know. You still have me doing single leg lift?
No, your single leg balance is pretty good.
Yeah.
You're going to be kind of single leg balancing with a split squat anyway.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, and you're doing like a million calf raises still.
Oh, right. Yeah. No, but Johnny's not doing anything?
No, Johnny should just be aware of his role from now on.
Johnny needs to come out and play more often.
Like, now that you can move him, you can actually put him to use. You know,
Right.
that's kind of where we're at now.
Yeah. He was just hanging out underneath Fourth Toe, his brother. I don't know why I made him a man.
Hot Rod. That could be his
Oh,
new
is that
name.
his name?
Okay, till next time, you get like another 5 weeks to do these exercises.
Let's end with Johnny. There's Johnny. Yeah, look at that.
Nice. Look at him go. Look at that hot rod. Sweet.